Also, can you tell us more about the hiring process at Brucira? How do you guys hire designers or product people?
Yeah, so we start with resume shortlisting and maybe gradually with the application we send cover letter along with resume. So yeah, so guys, cover letter is very important. So once we found application interesting, we send assignment and give like 3 to 7 days timeline to complete the same. The assignment is different for a UX designer and the illustrator or graphic designer. For UX designer, we focus more on the problem identification and problem solving skills of the candidate, and whereas for a creative team, the focus is more on the design aesthetics or illustration skills. When the assignments get selected, we schedule face-to-face interview as final round. So during the final interview, we don't like talk much about the assignment or technical knowledge of the employee, but we focus more on the understanding the client as a human being. So yeah, so we focus more on the person more than skill. And the reason being that in my last 3 companies, I saw a lot of office politics, which I believe is not healthy at all. So so that's why at QCR we make sure that everyone is surrounded by good vibe and like far away from any type of negativity in terms of like work ethic or culture or office politics.
It's nice to see how you guys are very invested, not just in terms of the skill set, but in terms of how the candidates are in terms of human beings as well. Because right, that I feel that makes a lot of sense. That if you are a person who will complement the team culture, uh, you are a great fit. And if it seems like it will hinder the team culture and the mentality or mindset that's there, maybe not a good fit.
Yeah. So we always, because see, I can make any kind of designer learn good design. You can make any kind of designer. If he knows basic stuff, you can train him. But you can't train him with these things, these characteristics.
Right.
This is something they bring with themselves along with the skill.
Makes a lot of sense.